friend Monica, and I am from Churachandpur. I am a displaced student. We gathered here today not to welcome PM but to question and condemn PM's visit, who abandoned us for 2.5 years. Our homes were destroyed and our people cried in pain. Our youth has lost future. Our families have been displaced. In these years of turmoil, we have been waiting for leadership, for compassion, for justice, peace, and healing in Mali. Instead, what we receive is silence. This silence speeds violence. This silence deepened the wound. This silence that betrayed the very idea of governance. Manipur continues to bleed. Manipur continues to suffer. He walks in with no agenda of peace or harmony or roadmap of justice. Even today, our questions remain unanswered. Will our national highway, the lifeline of Manipur, finally be opened? Will our Métis be able to go to Kangpokpi and Churachandpur and Imphal without fear? Our questions remain unanswered. Will our national highway, the lifeline of Manipur, be opened? Will Métis be able to go to Kangpokpi or Churachandpur, or the Bugis be able to come to Imphal again? Will illegal migrants threatening our land and future be sent back? Will our future, our forests be freed from the clutch of poppy planters? Instead of healing, you delayed the visit, which deepens the divide. We would like to remind the world that he who sworn to protect its people abandoned us for more than 2 years long. And where were he when he leaves? When our lives lost? Where were he when our houses were burned? Today, we strongly stand against the PM Modi's visit. We need timely action, not delayed sympathy. We as a student of IDP strongly oppose the illogical visit of PM Narendra Modi today. He had a blood in his hands. We do not need speeches. We do not need sympathy. We need action, justice, accountability. If you cannot keep us safe, we do not. You, students of IDP, strongly oppose the illogical visit of PM Narendra Modi today. He has a blood in his hands. We do not need speeches. We need action, justice, and accountability. If you cannot keep us safe, you do not have the right to govern us. Go back, Modi. We boycott Modi visit. Thank you.